Oh, you guys, look! Hey!
My arm's starting to froze. Is it big enough for...
Oh, that's great.
I sent them off just to get something.
Oh, do you want it in your glass? Yeah.
Sandy, come on.
Oh yeah. This is just so good.
Here, Rose. Let's use it for my bow and arrow.
No, we can use it on.
Oh, Rose, my mom said I can have a little bit of red wine.
No, she didn't. Honey, Renita, I washed it out, or I wiped it out with my shirt.
Just a sec.
Even though the
I'm going to have one more hot dog. Is that okay with y'all?
Thank you. I'm
He always takes a shower before bed, but I cannot.
Quit, look at this.
Try to go away.
Peter had it. Peter had it.
Oh, here it is.
Here, I'll get you a
Peter left it for the children.
He's right there next to Lil.
Here, Sid, put your apple.
I know, we've got so much food. It's just incredible. But, you know, you get really hungry when you're outside.
Yeah.
Play in the silent game.
Did you see that little plant?
Gabe doing his taekwondo, or not taekwondo, but what's that, Renita?
That little tiny tree right there, whatever it is, that bush.
Oh, yeah.
This looks like lonesome.
Well, we got to get somebody standing on that.
Stand on what?
The bush. We'll get a picture of it from.
Well, hi, Sam.
There's Sam. Sam, Vanny, sitting next to Lil. There's Paul, Vanny. Paul. Hi. Where's Gabriel? Gabriel, that's the one thing with. No. You know, is that what he was?
Of course.
Here I'm videotaping and letting him do it.
Rules.
There's the wood box and Paul Vanny and Peter Vanny tending the fire. And their mom, Laura Vanny, in the front of the banks of the Upper Iowa River having some wine. Is this wine okay? I just grabbed anything.
Good. This is just what I like
it's
best.
Good. I like it too.
What is it, Mom?
It's just a Cabernet Sauvignon, but I'm not even sure what kind. Oh, the reason I bought it was 10% of the sales, or even no, I think it was 15% of the sales of that at the co-op went to the Englert. You know, they were trying to restore the Englert Theater. The only movie theater in downtown Iowa City closed, and they were going to turn it into a bar. So if you buy enough of this wine, you know, the wine, then you're contributing.
Can I go get my sleeping bag? Hey, Mom.
Yes,
let's get little
I should
Sydney.
have brought my magazine stuff.
Hi.
Yeah,
There's Renita and Sydney.
I'm going to ask right now, and then when we go back to get some stuff.
Hi, Sydney. Oh.
Now we got to find my knife.
I should be watching Lily because she's eating a hot dog on the picnic table all by herself.
Yeah.
Such a good girl. Hi, Lily. Say hi. Hi. There's Sam.
I wish I could do it. I can.
And this is their friend Blake, who they met just today at the campground. Justin, Gabe, Sam, and Lily. Hi, Lily. Hi, Missy.
high five.
High five.
They're just called
Yeah.
Oh, Cindy, close your eyes and
Sit, Lil, sit.
Say cheek, Lily, 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 Lily.
What are they sitting in?
I got a good one.
It's a grate. They're sitting in the fireplace.
Oh, and they're going to be so clean to get out.
With your little
look,
white
they're
fuzzy coat. They think it's,
filthy.
I thought they did think it's, now they thought it was a bridge. They were walking across it. Now they think it's a little boat or something.
They're going bye-bye. See you later. She's just sitting on Cindy's lap and she's totally just not getting mad or anything. Hi, Sid!
Oh, you guys.
Give her a kiss. Oh, it's so exciting.
This is too funny.
Hey, Quint, just watch them. They're just laughing. They just think it's so funny.
They're sitting in some ash.
She's sitting on Cindy's. And
Quint having a tube steak. God, he's hiding behind Laura.
Quint, like every picture, you just got that goofy thing going.
I know. I don't know.
Do you have
Okay, Rose.
silverware?
That's
Mom,
enough.
Aww.
Oh, God.
Oh, she just smeared black all across Cindy's face.
And Peter, the photographer.
That's the man that got Rose to talk about tube steak.
Lily's gonna lay down. Oh, she's giving
Lily
her
just smeared black
her
across
nookie.
Cindy's face, took her wubby.
wubby. Is that what you call it, wubby? This is just...
They're funny. She's sitting on Cindy's leg. And
Lily's coat.
Yeah, Lily's white fleecy coat. Where's Shiloh?
Okay, I think the
In the
Kodak
camper.
moment.
Oh, is he? Oh, he should come out. Oh, I see. Yeah.
oh, what else can happen now? They're already
Garden
filthy.
hose and spray him down.
Garden hose.
Look at Cindy's face. That could probably hurt.
Look at she put it back. She put it back in her mouth. She put the thing back in her mouth. We'll stop it. She's doing it upside down. So here, give me that.
Lily, look this way. Peter, turn her here.
Say hi to mom. Hi, go, mama.
Lily, hi. There's Laura.
Rose, come on. I'm gonna help this guy with this canoe. He's got a little scared.